Julie, we are over here at Latham Park, and you can really see just how high the water got yesterday by this watermark. It is almost to my shoulder, and you really shouldn't travel or walk through flood-prone areas because you could end up in a dangerous situation, and that's exactly what happened yesterday in Winston-Salem. Firefighters saved a person from high waters on Old Town Road on Beth Abra Road, and during this time the road was closed due to flooding, but those barriers were ignored. Firefighters say this area is always one to avoid.
Due to some of the growth upstream, that creek coming through there is called Grassy Creek, and due to growth of the city up north of there, you know, you've got water doesn't have really anywhere to go, so it channels into Grassy Creek and comes down and gets into Muddy Creek or Menorcas Creek, and it's got to go somewhere, and it fills up and it fills the roads up some days, and it's just a challenge.
Driving down flooded roads can also ruin your car. RAC Towing was out and about in Greensboro yesterday, towing cars from flooded roadways. Once they were put on the truck, he takes them right here to the tow yard. Locklear wasn't expecting yesterday's rain to cause as many problems as it did.
What happens is this water was all the way up here. You can see the leaves, you know, where the water's been rushing, got up under the hood, and it goes inside the motor and gets inside the vehicle. I don't know if it's unlocked, I don't know if you can peek in there or not. You can tell how high the water was right here on the doors. And it's just all the way up in there in the interior. So.
Now, some places flood because debris blocks storm drains. As we expect more rain in the forecast within coming days, the city of Greensboro says their crews will be out and assessing just to make sure that there is no debris blocking those storm drains. Live in Greensboro, I'm Hannah Jeffries, WFMY News 2.